Mastering everyday English. Turn on the lights, explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that lights up our daily conversations. Turn on the lights. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English skills, understanding these everyday expressions is key. So, let's illuminate this phrase, breaking it down to make sure you can use it confidently in any situation. Turn on the lights is a straightforward instruction that involves two main components: turn on and the lights. At its core, turn on is a phrasal verb that means to activate or start the operation of something, typically an electronic or electrical device. When we say the lights, we're referring to the general lighting fixtures in a room, house, or any space that can be illuminated. This phrase is commonly used in various scenarios, from the simplicity of entering a dark room to more specific situations like setting the right mood for an event. Here are a few examples. Entering a room. If you walk into a room and it's too dark to see, you might say, "Could you turn on the lights, please?" During a power outage, once the electricity comes back, someone might instruct, "Turn on the lights to check if everything's working." Setting an atmosphere. For a dinner, movie night, or any gathering, let's turn on the lights to make it cozy. In different English-speaking regions, you might encounter variations of this phrase. For instance, flick on the lights, or switch on the lights, are also common ways to express the same action. Despite these variations, the essence of the instruction remains the same: to illuminate an area by activating its light sources. Understanding the context and the slight differences can enrich your communication skills and make you more adaptable in diverse English-speaking environments. Turn on the lights is more than just a phrase. It's an entry into the practical use of English in everyday life. By mastering these common expressions, you're not just learning a language, you're enhancing your ability to navigate through a variety of daily interactions with ease and confidence. We hope this exploration has brightened your understanding and use of English. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.